Cheers to Anisha's shopping. Party, but evenings. Solid color. ठीक है. अब honestly मैं इसको 5 तरीके से style करूँ. You see, it's giving the shape also. Yeah, the cinched waist thing is giving you that shape. Just try on the denims first, whichever is fitting, and then the shirt. So we're here with Anisha. She's come from Mumbai. She's a doctor. She's practicing there, and she wanted to kind of elevate her otherwise wardrobe. It is not the work wardrobe, but her social outings, gatherings, and smart casual looks and all of that. Because work, of course, she has a certain way of dressing up. So that's exactly why we are here, and I think we've picked roughly 3 bags. If you can show, maybe. Yeah. And we just done with creating the looks for her, because it also needs to add up, like what smart casual looks, what business casual looks, and everything. So right now we've created all the looks for her, and she's decided to try to try. So Anisha is a triangle body shape, but there's a twist here. She has a variation of a bust. Okay, so her bust is a little heavier. Now the styling here becomes very tricky, because in a triangle body shape you have to kind of emphasize the upper part of the body, but because her bust is heavier, they can't really do that, which is very visible, making sure that she looks put together and styled properly. So yeah.
Okay, so Priyanshi, what are you doing right now?
I'm creating separate looks for Anisha to try, so that she does not have to think, and I just give her the ready-made looks and she tries them on. So yeah. So right now she's trying the semi-casual ones with the denims and the shirts, and then we have picked a few trousers for her. So this one is a dress, which of course can be tried standalone. Kept all the trousers and the satin items and pieces which are a little more elevated in one bag, because that's the vibe, they go together. And pieces which are like casuals, like shirts, cottons, linens, and something which is easy and breathable in one bag, because they fall into the smart casual bit and bucket, and they're more like, that's the vibe, right? So yeah, any kind of a denim. Okay, this combination, and if you fix it and you wear a white trouser underneath it, you become the smart casual. So one thing is also this.
That's also the same but white.
Then anything else you have? तो आप वो ट्राई करो, एंड देन जो भी जितना ट्राई करिए उसको निकाल के आप मुझे दे दो. यू सेग्रीगेट, ये नहीं लेना, ये something smaller. So the same top, it's a part of a quad set, but can be styled up and down. So she's trying it with the denims, then she tried with the cord, and then she's going to try it with the trousers. We're in Marks and Spencer right now, and one thing that is really important is shapewear. If you're heavier on any part of your body, be it the thighs, be it the tummy, or be it the bust, shapewear and lingerie is the foundation of any outfit looking good. If it's a great outfit, but if your innerwear is not proper, then everything is going to look flat. It's going to fall flat. So I've given her all the tummy tucker and all the shapewear that she needs to try. She's trying right now, and we are sitting here waiting for her just to see if the fit and everything is correct or not, and if we need to give her more size or anything. So far it's going great. Most of the 70% of the wardrobe is sorted. We are sorting the innerwear at the moment, and post that we're going to go for accessories, bells, scarves, necklace, earrings, maybe watch, and stuff like that. Yeah, I think it's going great so far. She has a flight at 8 p.m. and she needs to kind of rush. So we had exactly 3 to 4 hours for everything, and so far we are going on time. So yeah. Just do one thing, just take a picture of it. Maybe shirts like these. अभी तो हमारे size की नहीं है, but now tops we need a lot. So non-negotiables are लेनी है. Then comes shirts and a few elevated blocks. Nice. But I don't like the white. I don't know. Basic ones only. Studs, no nonsense, evergreen. You have bracelets. Try, like stacking. सिंपल ही लेंगे, ऐसे नहीं लेंगे कि आपको लगे कि oh my god बहुत बढ़िया लेंगे. We are in H&M at the moment. We're done with the clothes, done with the innerwear, the shapewear and everything, lingerie. Now we're here for accessories, so we're almost done with the accessories also. Now we are heading out. So stay tuned. Order, but see that I'm looking. I mean, you know what you're looking for. So, Anisha, I just wanted to quickly know about your experience today, as we're meeting for the first time and we've done a lot of online sessions. But how do you feel about this overall shopping experience?
So it has been extremely easy. Like you're somebody who's very approachable, even though like the second night for the first
Yeah.
time, but it didn't feel like that. Obviously, we had some online sessions before, and after this, I have a very clear idea about what suits my body, what does not suit my body, and you know the color. Like we had that color analysis also.
Yes.
Now I can select better color, better prints, and all of that.
And you've got like the logic also behind,
Yeah.
like why to choose smaller polka dots and not the bigger
Bigger
ones.
ones, yeah, like we saw here.
Yes.
Zara.
Practically.
Yeah. So that was good. And now after this, I feel that I'm also a little more confident about how to shop further.
Right, so our shopping is done and it was quite a productive day. Now we are heading back to the office, and most of the items that were there in our shopping list have been purchased. Of course, it's always hybrid. There were few items where we could not find the size or the color that we're going to take online because we've noted down the article number of it. That we'll order online. Rest everything has been done, and it's such a crazy day. Right from accessories to shapewear to your even footwear to even bag to even clothes, done it all, and I'm so happy. So yes, if you want to see more of such adventures from Style Alchemy, more of our shopping sprees and more of what really goes behind the scenes, then stay tuned. There's a lot to come up, and subscribe to the channel already if you